Welcome back to Brady Pat RC. Another little unboxing video. Don't do too many unboxing videos, but I thought I'd give it another shot. So some of you may have seen on some of the Facebook groups there that popped out to COSTCO's the other day to get some essentials. To me this is an essential. There they were, whole stack of them. Should have bought two really, but in COSTCO, 16 pounds, that's Great British pounds for all you guys out there in COSTCO. Don't know what that would be over there in the States if they do them, or other countries euros wise, but managed to pick up there this, and if you can quite see it, 1/24 scale, what is it called, Power Craze Shift 24 electric toy, it says. So let's have a look at the box itself. Well, there it is sitting on the top there. Nice little buggy racer. I don't know, I'm sure someone will give me a nice name for that. What we got on there says it can go 32 kilometers an hour or speeds over. Well, we'll see. 2.4 gigahertz technology, rear wheel drive, ready to run, performance shocks, 4x4 suspension, high speed vehicle. What else have we got? Digital proportional steering, hobby style RC body, proportional speed control. There we have it all in some other languages there. Real working head and tail lights, lightning fast acceleration, long range 2.4 gigahertz radio. What else have we got down here? Controller requires 3 AA batteries, not included. USB chargers included. That's not too bad, we'll have some of that. 4x4 suspension. And again, nothing I've already said. Impact resistant material, performance shocks for off-road action, additional set of performance racing tyres included. Oh, interesting. 2 speed settings for beginner and advanced drivers. Well, I take it I'll be a beginner on this one. High performance treads on the tyres. That side basically says the same as the other side, where it's in different languages there. What's it got? Let's have a look. Caution, electric toy. Can't read none of that. Sorry. High impact roll cage, high performance treads, real working headlights, controller included. That looks quite cool. Shift between low and high speeds with the exciting new Shift 24 with onboard proportional steering and digital speed control. The Shift 24 vehicle provides fast-paced racing action for beginner drivers as well as experienced RC enthusiasts. Includes 2 sets of tyres, one for off-road terrain and a special set for enhanced performance tyres for heightening control on smooth surfaces. Yeah, interesting. And that looks to me what I just said in French. Well, that looks pretty cool. So there's some small print down the bottom here. What does it say? Box contains 1 Shift 24 RC truck, 1 wireless controller, additional set of enhanced performance tyres, 1 USB charging cord, 1 instruction manual. Okay, enough of that. Ages 8+. I think I covered that after my 46th birthday the other day. Let's open her up, see what's inside. Okay, so what do we have in the box? This looks like the USB charger for the car. Small little connection on the end there. Interesting. Wonder how strong that is. Anyhow, we have the it said it come with an extra 4 tyres, if you remember. So 4 little tyres. Look quite cool. That's a soft rubber there. don't know how good they'll be because it's such a small car, and if it is high speed, I mean, they might not actually do anything, but we'll see on that. There, 4 tyres. Instruction manual, so that one I picked up is straight away in French. English. So let's see how detailed this is. Okay, so it's telling us underneath the truck is the where we plug in the USB charger, either into a computer or like a USB plug type thing. Just basically tells us how to charge the battery, installing batteries into the remote control, the truck diagram itself, and again the charging socket and the on and off switch underneath. Bit of details on the remote diagram now. Steering trim, steering wheel trim, steering wheel throttle, speed mode switch, syncing it, which should basically be switch on the controller in the car as we normally do. But then there's a section there, it says for multiple players, so if you had more than one, I take it it's telling us here, before starting, make sure that the power on all trucks and the controllers are in the off position. Follow a 1-by-1 sequence. Each player should sync their truck one at a time by following steps 1 to 3 above. So if at this price of 16 Great British pounds, or whatever it is in your relevant currency from COSTCO, if you have one in your country, I'm sure you do, then if you want to have a bit of fun with your friends, switch all the controllers off, all the little trucks off, and turn them on one at a time. I take it that's so the trucks and the remote controls don't get too confused. There's a bit about speed settings. Comes with 2 speed settings for beginner and more advanced drivers, and it says there's a button on the remote control to change that. Alright, it says the Shift 24 has been clocked at speeds above 24 miles an hour. To achieve the vehicle's top speed, you must first have to have a large open outdoor space with a fairly smooth blah blah blah. We know the drill. Let's just take this car to its extreme. Anyhow, let's have a look at the car and the remote control itself. So here is the remote control itself. Quite a nice size, that. I like that. Feels good. Nice size. Really cool for some one-handed driving. Excellent. Like that. Because there's probably loads of you out there like myself, do a lot of driving by yourself, so it's one-handed all the time. Pretty good. Nice foam on the wheel there. Not a big fan of all these plasticky type ones. You get some nice good grip on that there. That's pretty cool. So there we have the speed control, the on and off switch, and the steering trim. Batteries go in the bottom as per usual. Quite like that. Do like that controller. It's handy. Very cool. Okay, now for the bit that everybody wants to know. The 124 Shift 24 truck itself. So I haven't been sneaky and charged it and now doing an unboxing video, so this is just fresh. Okay, let's have a look. These tyres, they're quite hard then. There's the other ones, they are soft and they are quite a harder rubber. Yeah, very cool. Okay, so it's got this roll cage type thing on it first by the look of it, and then some plastic panelling screwed on. There's the 3 headlights like it said it had. See how bright they are. Okay, we've got the on and off switch and the charging port. Doesn't say anything about a removable battery or how to take the body off. Suspension doesn't look too bad, especially on the rear. Nothing on the front. Small articulation, but not too much. Let's have a look underneath. Yeah, nothing on the front. So how's this suspension work at the back? Let's have a look. We can just get in there so we can see there's like a black piece of plastic connected onto the body, and just going down at the angle in there is what's allowing this to do that. I take it it'll only help when it lands, if we were doing jumps and it lands on the back there. But quite a nice little vehicle that for the money. Obviously at some point when things break and whatnot, can't really see the electronics in there. I suppose everything can be changed, get some micro servos and stuff, turn it into a real nice little rig. Obviously custom made parts. Does look like some form of moulded driver in there. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. Let's get this charged, let's have some fun, especially indoors. This is going to be a nice indoor little vehicle to have fun with. I know my children will like that. I will as well, because the weather's atrocious at the moment with all this rain. So there we go. There's the controller. Let's get this charged and running. And again, appreciate your support. Hit that subscribe button today. Give us a like. It all helps. And if any one of you's got any of these, hit the comments box below. I'd like to know, are they any good? Have you made any changes that would help out, that actually work? So stay tuned for episode 2 on this 1/24 scale Shift 24 little buggy. I don't know, rock racer buggy. What do you guys want to call it? You tell me, what do you think? Okay, see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.